Free AI animation generator. Create cartoon movie with ChatGPT AI.T. His free animation generator is available not only on desktop but also on your Android or iOS devices. In this quick AI video tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to create your own animation movie using ChatGPT AI and the free text-to-animation generator. So, let's get started. Part 1. Create video script using ChatGPT to create our story or video script. We can use ChatGPT, Google Bard, or Nolan AI. However, in this video, we will use ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to generate a video script for you. In this example, I asked ChatGPT to generate a dialogue between two aliens who are planning to invade Earth. Part 2. Install text-to-animation app. In this tutorial, we will use Plotagon, a text-to-film software available for Windows, Android, and iOS. Go to the desktop app menu to download the Plotagon for Windows installer. After that, you can register using your email, Gmail, or Microsoft account to use this software for free in a 30-day trial mode. Part 3. Text plate scene. Before creating any scene, let's create our very first movie project. Open your Plotagon Studio. Click Create Video to start creating your animated movie. Now, click the Voiceover menu to select your voiceover style. Part 4. Scene background. Click the movie clapper icon to create a new movie scene. Click the movie clapper menu and select the scene background. Part 5. Create character. After that, add an actor to our scene by clicking the actor menu. You can select a pre-made character or click the Create Character button to create your own character. Part 6. Set character position. Now, select our first character for our scene. Let's change our character's position by clicking the Position menu on the right side of our character's name. Select your desired position. Part 7. Camera style. Now, let's add a camera style by clicking the camera icon. Select your desired camera style. Click the play button to see how this camera style looks. Part 8. Sound effect. Add a sound effect to your scene to make it more cinematic by clicking the bell icon. Select your desired sound effect. Part 9. Dialogue scene. Click the dialogue icon to add a new dialogue to the current scene. Copy your dialogue script from ChatGPT and paste it into Plotagon's dialogue. Now, click the microphone icon to listen to this dialogue voiceover. Part 10. Character animation. You can change the character's animation by selecting from the animation menu on the right side of the character's name. Here is the result from this AI animation movie tutorial. Thank you for watching this free AI animation tutorial. See you in the next artificial intelligence video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.